Almost 20 years ago, microfiber hit the market as the greatest thing to clean with. But do you know why? I'm Dave Thompson, a 50-year veteran of the commercial cleaning industry, and I have a little secret for you. But first of all, the tip. Microfiber hooks and holds debris. It does not absorb it. However, not all of these microfiber items are the same. Now, the experts know that you must purchase quality microfiber in order to get the benefits. But here's a little secret. Most of these microfiber products that are on the market today are actually less than 25% microfiber. We also know that there's a qualifier that qualifies a microfiber. Simply the size of the denier of the strand of material that makes up the wiper, mop, or rag. To be true microfiber, it must be less than 1 denier. There are other qualifiers, such as what's on the label here that says how much blend of polyester and polyamide, and other things that we also know. Be sure that you're purchasing the right product when you spend your cash. Use this tip from the experts, and it'll help you in providing a safe and healthy environment for your family. Don't miss out on all of our other cleaning tips from the experts that you can use at home. Subscribe, like, share, and learn more. If you have a question, a thought, or a comment, share it down below. Until next time, I'll see you right here at the Academy.